Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best kinder mat for daycare. The ECR4Kids Premium Folding Rest Mat, 3-section, 1-inch thick. If you're looking for a reliable, comfortable, and practical sleeping pad for young children, this mat might just be the perfect fit. First off, let's talk about the design. This mat features a classic tri-fold layout that makes it incredibly easy to fold up and store. Measuring 48 inches in length and 24 inches in width, it offers ample space for kids to rest comfortably. At 1-inch thickness, the padding strikes a good balance, soft enough to provide cushioning and support, yet thin enough to keep it lightweight and easy to carry. Speaking of weight, this mat comes in at just under 2 pounds, which makes it extremely portable. Whether you're moving it between rooms in a daycare setting or taking it along for sleepovers or trips, it's designed to be hassle-free. The vinyl material used for the cover is water-resistant, which means spills and accidents wipe clean easily, an essential feature when dealing with kids. Durability is another strong point of this mat. The vinyl surface is tough enough to withstand daily use in busy daycare environments. Plus, it's simple to sanitize, helping maintain a hygienic space for little ones during rest time. The bright blue and red color scheme isn't just vibrant and cheerful, it also helps designate the mat as a personal space for each child. Comfort and safety are paramount when choosing a rest mat for children, and ECR4Kids doesn't disappoint. The foam inside provides gentle support that helps children relax and recharge during nap times. This daily rest is vital for brain development, emotional regulation, and restoring energy, which makes the mat a key tool in supporting children's overall well-being. Another great benefit is how the mat supports establishing a consistent rest routine. Having a designated, cozy mat helps children transition smoothly to quiet time, promoting self-awareness and encouraging them to manage their energy and emotions independently. This is not just a sleeping pad, it's a small part of building healthy habits for young learners. Assembly is a non-issue with this product since it comes ready to use right out of the box. It's made for convenience and practicality, requiring no complicated setup or maintenance. Just unfold it, and it's ready for nap time. Shipping and availability may vary depending on your location, but this mat is generally easy to find and purchase online. The price reflects the quality and thoughtful design that ECR4Kids is known for in classroom and daycare furniture. In summary, the ECR4Kids Premium Folding Rest Mat, with its ideal size, durable materials, ease of cleaning, and comfortable foam padding, stands out as a top choice for daycare providers and parents alike. If you want a functional, colorful, and well-made mat to support children's rest and development, this product deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. Until next time, keep choosing smart and staying curious.